broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Good morning, students. Today we'll do exercise 12.2. First question statement I am reading. A park is in the shape of quadrilateral where angle C is given as 90 degree, AB, BC, CD and AD. Measurements of the four sides are also given. One angle is given as 90 degree and measurements of four sides are given. We have to find out the area of this quadrilateral, and we know this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So we'll find the area of both the triangles, we'll add them up and it will be the area of the quadrilateral. So here I have written, because it's a 90 degree angle, so we can apply Pythagoras property here. Two sides are already given. With the help of Pythagoras we can find out third side. See here, because this triangle BCD is right angle triangle with C as 90 degree. So I can write down this hypotenuse square BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. 12 square plus 5 square, which is equal to 169. I know 169 is the square of 13. So area of triangle BCD will be half into base into height. This side is required for this triangle. Actually requirement is not there in this triangle because base and height both are already given. Okay, here we can find out the area as half into base into height. But for the third this triangle, two sides are given, third side is required. So we found here hypotenuse, which is BD is equal to 13 meter. Okay, now we are finding area of this triangle, area of BCD. So area of BCD is half into base into height, which is equal to half into 12 into 6, which is equal to 30 meters square. Now we are finding area of this portion, area of ABD, where the sides are 8 meter, 9 meter and BD is 13 meter. Three sides are given. We can apply Hero's formula here. S is A plus B plus C by 2, which is equal to 15. So we will substitute the value. Formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under the root. S is here 15. So 15 minus first side 9. 15 minus second side 15 minus 13. 15 minus third side 15 minus 8. Now we'll do the calculation. 15 into 6 into 2 into 7, which is equal to, after calculating, this is coming as 35.5 meters square. Area of this portion is 35.5. Area of this portion is 30. And area of the whole quadrilateral is required, so we'll add them up. Area of the quadrilateral will be 30 plus 35.5, which is equal to 65.5 meters square. We have to find here area of the quadrilateral, and this is divided into two triangles. So we found here area of this portion, area of this portion. After adding, answer is coming as 65.5. Now next question. Question number 2. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, AB, BC, CD, DA and AC. Here 5 sides, all the 5 sides are given. In the previous question 4 side and 1 angle was given. And here in this question all the 5 sides are given. Either you can apply Hero's formula here, or we know here 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. When 3 square plus 4 square, when base square plus height square is coming as hypotenuse square, so we can say it's a right angle triangle. Because it's a right angle triangle, so we can apply the formula of area of right angle triangle is half into base into height, half into 3 into 4, which is equal to 6 centimeter square, area of ABC. Okay, now we are finding area of this portion. Sides are given as 5 centimeter, again 5 centimeter and 4 centimeters. So S will be A plus B plus C by 2. S is coming as 5 plus 5 plus 4 by 2, 14 by 2, which is equal to 7. Area of this portion is, formula will apply S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under the root. So 7 minus 5, first side. 7 minus 5 again, second side. 7 minus 4 again, third side. 7 into 7 minus 5, 2. Again 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. So when we'll simplify, 2 is coming in pair. We can write down, because 2 square under the root will be 2. and 7 3s are 21, root 21. So 2 into value of root 21, here I written, after calculation it's coming as 9.2. Okay, 9.2 centimeter square, because I round here it off. Area of the quadrilateral, this portion ABCD will be area of this one and area of this one. We'll add both the areas, and area of the first one, area of ABC is 6, area of the second one, area of ACD is 9.2. After addition, 6 plus 9.2 is equal to 15.2. Okay, 15.2. Now next one, third one I haven't explained. I'll explain one more question is given of trapezium. I'll explain that question on first, and then we'll do question number 3. Now we are doing question number 4. Question is important. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. Both the triangle and the parallelogram are standing on the same base. Okay, same base and same area. One property is given, area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. It is already given. We can see from the first line. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the side of the triangles are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeters, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeters. See here, 28 and 28 both are same. Parallelogram is standing and triangle is standing on the same base on 28 centimeter. We have to find out area of the height of the parallelogram. As from the given condition, we can see area of triangle and parallelogram both are equal. We know area of parallelogram is base into height. It's standing on the side 28. So base here will write as 28. 28 into h. H we have to find here. Area of the triangle easily we can find out with the help of Hero's formula. 3 sides are given. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is coming as 42. Apply the formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under the root. This 42. 42 minus first side. 42 minus 26. 42 minus 28. 42 minus 30 under the root, which is equal to 42. Into 42 minus 26 is 16, 42 minus 28 is 14, 42 minus 30 is 12. Now this 42 under the root. This 42 I can write down as 14 into 3. This 16 as 4 4s are. This 14 as it is I have written because already 114 is given. It will occur in pairs. And this is for 12, so we can write down as 4 into 3. Now the terms occurring in pair is 14, this 4 and this 3. This 4 we can write down as 2 square. Okay, under the root is given, and when the terms are occurring in pair we can write down single time. Okay, because it will be cancelled. So 14 into 4 into this 3, and this 4 can be written as 2 square. So 1 2. Calculation is coming as 336 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. But I know area of the triangle and area of parallelogram both are same. So I substitute area of triangle in this equation. So 336. This 336 is equal to 28 into h. Easily we can find out the value of h. H is equal to division of 336 by 28, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Now next question. Question number 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If the each side of the rhombus is 30, each side of the rhombus is given as 30 meter and its longer diagonal is given as 48. This one diagonal is given as 48. You can take any one diagonal. I have taken here AC. Okay, you can take BD also. It's all up to you. One diagonal is given as 48. Sides are given as 30. But we have to find how much area of the green grass field which will each cow be getting. Okay, area for the each cow to graze we have to find here. I know this rhombus is divided into two congruent triangles because diagonal of a rhombus divide it into two congruent triangles. If I'll find out the area of this portion, I can write down area of the second one is also same. Okay, so my target is to find the area of one triangle, any one triangle I can find out. Here I written diagonal of a rhombus divide into two congruent triangles of equal area. Therefore, area of this portion ABC is equal to area of ACD. Now we are finding area of ABC, where the given sides are 30, 30 and 48. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 108 by 2, which is equal to 54. Area, we know the formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus A under the root. So 54 minus 30 first side, 54 minus 30 again second side, 54 minus 48 under the root. This 54 as it is, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 30 again 24, 54 minus 48 is 6. This 24 is occurring in pair. This 54 I can write down as 9, 6 is 54. This 6 as it is. Now this 6 is occurring in pair. This 9 I can write down as 3 square. So 24 into 3 into 6, which is equal to 432. 432 meter square is the area of this portion. Similarly, we can write down area of this portion is also 432. Area of both the triangles is equal to 432. So area of the rhombus will be area of this portion and area of this portion. 432 plus 432. So which is equal to 864. Area of the complete rhombus ABCD is equal to 864 meters square. Now there are 18 cows. We have to find out area for the each cow to graze. Total area of this field is given as 864. Number of cows are 18. If I divide the area by number of cows, 864 by 18, I will find out, then easily I can find out the area of the grass field that each cow will get. So 864 divided by 18 is equal to 48 meters square. So 48 meters square area of 48 meters square area will each cow get. Okay, area divided by number of cows will be our answer. Okay.